And every girl start bounce. They bounce like ball bounce. They bounce like, they bounce.
Hey guys, welcome back to NESSA channel, and I welcome you and welcome back to my channel.
Oh no!
Okay, so in today's video we're gonna do how to make a simple jello. It's kind of weird, but yeah, how to make a simple jello. So first thing I do, I take the jello thing out the box and throw it in the pot, the medium-sized bowl. Then I take the hot water and then throw some. After, I took a spoon just to mix around to mix it for 2 minutes, to stir it 2 minutes. Then after I already do it, I use some normal in between warm and cold water to stir in for the same 2 minutes.